बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Chandbagh School, Muridke. Today we will discuss past paper questions relating to alkenes and other homologous series of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are those molecules which contain carbon and hydrogen only. We will discuss assignment question number 31 and 35 of the worksheets being provided to you earlier. Question 31. Alkenes are a homologous series of organic compounds. The table shows some information about the first 6 alkenes. The table: ethene, its molecular formula is C2H4, its melting point is -169 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is -104 degrees Celsius. Propene, its molecular formula is C3H6, its melting point is -185 degrees Celsius while its boiling point is -48 degrees Celsius. Butene, its molecular formula is C4H8, its melting point is -185 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is -6 degrees Celsius. Pentene, its molecular formula is C5H10, melting point is -165 degrees Celsius, its boiling point is 30 degrees Celsius. Hexene, its molecular formula is C6H12, its melting point is -139 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 63 degrees Celsius. Heptene, its molecular formula is C7H14 while its melting point and boiling point are missing from the table. Question 31A part. Draw the structure showing all the atoms and bonds of propene. Its structural formula will be CH2 double bond CH bond CH3. B part. There are several compounds with the molecular formula C4H8. Each has a different structure. What is the given name to the compounds with the same molecular formula but different structures? As you know that the molecules having same molecular formula but different structural formula are known as isomers to each other. Deduce the molecular formula for decene and alkene with 10 carbon atoms per molecule. We will put n equal to 10 in the formula CnH2n, the general formula for alkenes. We will get C10H20 molecular formula for decene. Explain why it is easier to predict the boiling point of heptene rather than its melting point. In the given table, we see that the melting point is irregular down the series, whereas boiling point increases regularly down the series. Therefore, it is easier to predict the boiling point of heptene. E part. What is the physical state for butene at room temperature and pressure? Explain your answer. Its physical state will be gas because the boiling point is lower than the room temperature. F part. Many alkenes are manufactured by cracking of long chain alkanes such as hexadecane. The molecular formula for hexadecane is C16H34. Construct an equation to show the cracking of hexadecane to form butane and butene only. Its formula will be used as C16H34 arrow 3C4H8 and 1 mole of C4H10. C4H8 is butene while C4H10 is butane. Butene reacts with bromine and with steam. Give the molecular formula of the product with bromine. Its molecular formula will be C4H8Br2. Suggest the name of the product with steam. When butene reacts with steam, it will produce butane 1-ol, butane 2-ol or butanol. Ethene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is the meaning of each of these terms? Unsaturated. Unsaturated, a compound having a carbon-carbon double bond in the molecule. While hydrocarbons are compounds which contain the elements carbon and hydrogen only. Ethene can be manufactured by cracking. State the conditions used for cracking. High temperature of 450 degrees Celsius, and catalysts such as aluminium oxide, zeolite, silicon dioxide will be used as catalyst. Construct an equation for the cracking of tetradecane. The molecular formula for tetradecane is C14H30 to form ethene and one other hydrocarbon. Tetradecane C14H30 arrow, C2H4 is ethene, while C12H26 dodecane is the other hydrocarbon produced in this reaction. C part, alkenes such as ethene can undergo addition polymerization. State one use of polyethylene. It is used in making ropes, nets. Polyethylene can also be used in making toys, plates, dustbins, water pipes, etc. Second part, the diagram below shows a section of a polymer chain. This is the polymer. Deduce the structure of the monomer which is used to make this polymer. The monomer used in making this polymer is C2H5 bond carbon, double bond carbon with 2 hydrogen atoms. D part, ethanol can be manufactured by the catalytic addition of steam to ethene. C2H4 plus steam H2O, C2H5OH. If the reactants are not recycled, only 5% of ethene is converted to ethanol. Calculate the mass of ethanol formed from 0.4 tons of ethene when only 5% of the ethene is converted to ethanol. First of all, we have to write 28 grams of ethene produces 46 grams of C2H5OH. 0.4 tons of ethene will produce 46 divided by 28 into 0.4. They will be equal to 0.657 tons. Since only 5% of ethene is converted to ethanol, so mass of ethanol produced will be equal to 0.657 into 5 over 100 will be equal to 0.033 tons. This is all about for today. I thank you all for your precious time. Allah Hafiz.